So Twitch just announced Clip Champs. This is a function in Twitch now that acknowledges people with a badge for people who are clipping a lot and who are Clip Champs, if you will. It says you need to clip once per week, and across the whole month, you need to have a total of 50 views across all of your clips. So you have to clip good. You can't just clip a ton of different clips because people aren't necessarily going to watch them. You need to clip good moments. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to properly clip things so that you can get the best value out of this. It says that the Clip Champ renews on the 1st of the month, and you'll be notified of receiving Clip Champ then. So throughout the month of February, you can make good, solid, quality clips, and if they get good views, you can get the Clip Champ badge, which looks like this. So let's talk about how to clip. The reason why I'm making this video, of course, is I have a lot of clips that are here in my channel, and to be honest, most of them are kind of junk. I'm not going to say they're junk as in like you did a bad job, but there's no other way to say it. They just don't show anything that's like super valuable. Let's take a look at one example here. I'm just going to click a random one. How about this one? That shit is clippable all day long. Yeah. So you'll notice that that shit is clippable all day long. You'll notice that this particular clip that was made is way late. It clipped way after the event, and you didn't get everything that was there. So I'd like to go into this particular moment, and we can look at another one too, maybe this one here. That shit is clippable all day. So see, again, it's too late. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and talk about how to clip. And in order to do that properly, let's go ahead and actually go to about that moment in time and see where it is. So here is a replay of that stream. Now you can clip in the VOD. You don't have to clip it live, but it's always better to clip it live. Reason being is that you can actually share the link to your clip in my Twitch chat during the stream, and that can get people to like look at that clip and go, oh wow, that was a great moment. And then of course adds to the view counter for your clips. So let's go ahead and take a look at this moment. Maybe you are. So here we are watching this stream, and we're watching about this part where this event is going to happen. So I'm going to have to get ready to clip as I see something interesting to load. And in this particular case, people are clipping because the music just happened to match perfectly. So maybe we'll turn some music on while we wait. Turn some music on for you. How about some epic Star Wars stuff, huh? Oh boy. And discovered. Here we go. So at this point in the video, you can see a lot of that stuff happened, and the previous clips that we saw kind of picked up around this part and totally missed all that action. That shit is clippable. Yes, it is. So let's talk about how to properly clip something and how many options you have in customizing how your clips are. So I'm going to go down to this little tooltip area here. You can see it right next to theater mode. And a lot of times you guys are actually clicking this button when you mean to click theater mode. And I think this is a lot of times the reason why there are so many, like, I'm going to go with junk clips in my inventory there. It's because a lot of you guys are clicking this button when you mean to click this button. And it's just sort of throwing in the random clip without you having any customization for it. So make sure you're clicking this. You can also use Alt-X if you're on Windows on your keyboard, and this will open up the clip as well. So let's click this button. and it's going to load a Clipperino, if you will, generating Clipperino. This gives you a very simple video trimmer that you can use. This is your in point here, and this is your out point here. This is your current duration is shown above when you hover over top of it. You can see the yellow part here. This is where your clip is going to be. And so what you want to do is position the in and the out around where your clip point is. So I'm going to back this up a little bit here. And it's, you see, the action's already started. So let's come back here. And the action's kind of started here. Let's go back just a little bit more. And you can see I'm unable to do so. And the reason why I'm unable to do so is not because there's more footage. There's still more footage over here. But it's because there's a 60-second limit on clips. There's a 1-minute limit. So if I want to go back anymore, I'm going to need to take the end point and bring it back. Now I can reposition this to where the beginning is where I want it. This is probably a good, okay spot. It doesn't really talk about the music, but if I go any further back, I'm not going to get the whole sequence here. So let's drag it out to 60 seconds to see if I can get the whole thing. And we can also scrub ahead with this to see where this endpoint is as well. Which is pretty good. That's a pretty good spot. Maybe we stop it at the laughing. So I have this part here where I'm like, ha ha ha, after Jazz picks up this little piece here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Right there. And you can see where this marker is. So now I can drag this endpoint to where this line meets up with this. And I can know now that my clip is about the right place. So let's just actually zoom this all the way up to 60 seconds. Again, you don't have to do 60 seconds. Maybe the funny part or the awesome part or the, I don't know, the jump scare, whatever. Maybe that part's only like 6 seconds long. You can always trim this to be as short or as long as you want. In this case, I'm just going to try and take the whole thing just to show you guys how it works. Final piece is naming this. And I can just say, oh my God, that music, if I want to. Doesn't matter what I name it, but this is what the clip is going to be named when I make it. So let's go ahead and publish this. And it's going to generate the clip. And now we have a 60-second clip of the spot. Let's see how precise this clip is compared to the other clips that were in there. Stuff, huh? Oh boy. And discovered. Here we go. So you can see that clip is much more effective than the other clips. Clips will loop, so they'll play over and over and over again. And generally speaking, shorter clips are more effective. But that is the in-depth tutorial that I can give you right now on how to clip. I hope that helps people. And I hope this also, I'm doing this, of course, to generate maybe better clips on my Twitch channel. So there you go. Have a great day. Bye.